For quite some time, I've been struggling with the quality of the LTE signal in my area. Today, I'll show you my current LTE router setup, and then we'll see if switching to 5G really makes a difference. Some time ago, I recorded a video where I showed my setup based on two different LTE solutions. Both antennas were pointed in the same direction towards a BTS located about 3 kilometers away in a straight line. Unfortunately, the area isn't an open space, so the signal is affected by trees and nearby buildings. The GSM signal in my house is very weak. On my iPhone 14 Pro, LTE usually shows just 1 bar, and phone calls often get interrupted. To have a proper conversation, I actually have to go outside. The tests you see here were done back in 2019. Today, using the same antenna, I can reach LTE speeds of around 100 megabits per second download and about 30 megabits upload. These results are consistent on both the Huawei B715 and the B818 router, which I've been using for the past 2 months. This test was done today, on Saturday, around 11 a.m., using the Huawei B818 router and a Wittenberg antenna. As you can see, the transfer speed doesn't exceed 40 megabits per second. The maximum speeds can only be reached early in the morning, around 5 a.m., when most users are still asleep. Despite the weak LTE and 5G coverage in my area, I decided to try one of the best solutions available from ZTE the MC889A Pro. It's an outdoor 5G router that combines high performance with excellent connection stability. The router also supports LTE Cat.20 with 5-band carrier aggregation, reaching speeds of up to 2 gigabits per second download and 200 megabits per second upload. The built-in 11 dB antennas provide high sensitivity and a stable connection, even in areas with poor signal strength. At its core, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X65 5G platform, which ensures great performance and energy efficiency. The MC889A Pro comes with a 2.5 gigabit RJ45 port with PoE support, allowing power and data to be transmitted through a single cable, an ideal solution for simple outdoor installation. This way, you avoid the signal loss that often occurs with long antenna cables used in traditional passive LTE setups. I mounted the antenna at the highest point I could safely reach, standing on the chimney. I set it in the same direction as my previous LTE antennas. The first tests really surprised me. During the day, I was able to reach speeds of nearly 700 megabits per second download and around 60 megabits per second upload. I should add that the router is running on its default settings. The last test was done at around 5 in the morning, and the results were truly impressive. So, I decided not to change anything. The performance is simply phenomenal. After a few days of testing, I can confidently say that the ZTE MC889A Pro is one of the best options available for anyone struggling with weak LTE or 5G coverage. I've been waiting for fiber internet in my area for several years now, but after seeing these results, I think it's safe to say that the fiber will have to wait a little longer. So, if you're looking for a stable, fast, and modern 5G router that truly makes a difference, this is definitely a product worth considering.